Roy Maddox from Solar King and Power Station to show you our latest power station off-grid unit for outdoor or commercial use. So this unit is fully air conditioned. It's got backup fans as well for temperature control. It's got 12 kilowatts of AC supply and up to 35 kilowatt hours of battery. This is a fully off-grid design system that can be simply delivered to site anywhere you want power and connected to any distribution board, whether it's at the back of the farm, the back of the orchard, at your holiday home, anywhere where you want to be off-grid, this is the system. It will also work in a situation where the mains power can supply just the battery top-up. So instead of having a generator, if you do have even a 10 amp supply of mains power, it can be connected as your backup generator only to top up the batteries if they require it. But otherwise, it's designed to be fully powered off-grid unit. Check it out, powerstation.nz.